glam up look which you can like achieve in like 20 minutes max if you're a beginner, and if you know how to do your makeup, it's not gonna take a lot of time. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment on it, and share it with your friends. And now let's watch the video. Hi guys, so now I'm gonna start my makeup. Before that, I want to say you guys that if you guys have a very dry skin, please use some moisturizer. I have already applied the moisturizer like 10 minutes before, so you can do that. And if your skin is like normal or like oily, then I think you can just start with a primer. So I'm gonna take this primer. This primer is from all over my skin and my neck. Like it's very, I always apply moisturizer and primer on my face and neck because I like it. I mean, the makeup sets in quite well with this technique. So I'm gonna take this Vaseline, and it's a general thing, and I'm gonna apply it on my lips so that my lips are moisturized. So I like to leave the primer for like 10 minutes before actually applying anything else. So next I'm gonna take this concealer from NYX. I really like to put some concealer on my face before foundation because my skin is not like evened out and there are dark spots in some places, and I think with the moisturizer it really helps. I'm sorry, with the concealer, like it really helps to even out my skin. I'm so sorry for all the blabbering I'm doing right now. I'm really nervous. Also, if you apply concealer before actual foundation, I think your photos come very nice. To always have better pictures because that's important. Oh my god, I'm running out of this concealer. I need to order more. This is one of my favorite concealers. I'm not gonna take a wet sponge right now. I'm just gonna take a like already used beauty blender to like set everything in before actually like sprinkling water on it or anything, like making it wet. So now that my face looks a little bit evened out, now I'm gonna apply the foundation. I'm gonna take this foundation from Wet n Wild. This has been my favorite foundation from some time, and I'm gonna take a combination of two foundations actually. I'm gonna take Wet n Wild, of course, and I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is also a very good foundation with a very good like finish. So I'm gonna mix this two. I'm gonna take a little bit on my. This much will be enough. So I'm gonna take this Maybelline. Oh my god, it will be too much. But anyway, I'm gonna use it on my neck, so I think it's gonna be fine. So my shade, I'm quite dusky, so I use the shade 310 from the Fit Me foundation range, and for the Wet n Wild foundation I use the Desert Beige shade. These two shades like really complement my color. So I'm gonna mix these two foundations like well on my hand. I don't know if it's focusing, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna put it like this. I think everything falls out evenly if I do it like this way. It's like my technique. So now I'm gonna blend it all into my skin. Okay, now that I've blended everything, like all the foundation, next I'm gonna take this concealer from Wet n Wild and I'm gonna apply it on my eyes and the places where it needs to be highlighted. So it's very important to use a very right concealer according to your shade. So I really recommend you to go to a store and find the right concealer for you, because ordering online always doesn't help. Okay, next I'm gonna do my eyes, like my eyebrows. So actually my eyebrows are quite like shaped. Thankfully I have a good eyebrow shape, so I do not like shape it a lot. I like just like correct it on the right places. So for this I'm gonna take the Maybelline gel liner. I'm so sorry, it's all like gone. I'm gonna take this angled brush. So yeah, I think that's done, that's enough. So now that I've shaped my eyebrows, I'm gonna like clean it up, clean everything up, like all the mess that I created around the eyebrows. So I'm just gonna clean this mess. And for this, you're gonna use the Fit Me foundation, Fit Me concealer in base. This is also the same shade. It's shade 30 Cafe. Actually, this was the first disaster that I did in the name of concealer. I'm gonna take this concealer and put it around my eyebrows. It's very liquidy, so it like sets into your skin quite well. That's why I like the Fit Me concealers very much. Blend everything well so that it gives like my eyebrow looks very well, like the shape looks good. Lastly, I'm gonna take this mascara and I'm gonna set my eyebrows in place. So next I'm gonna contour my face, and for that I'm gonna use this Nykaa contour stick. It's a very good, like it's very good for beginners. Like not a contouring, just like do your face like in a weird way, like pout it out. And when you pout it out, you can see your cheekbones like this. You can see this, and this is where you need to like draw a stroke of the contour. So I'm gonna do it right now. And also always contour it. And so now that I have put like lines all over my face, I'm gonna blend it all well. Blend. This is gonna take some time because blending the contour is not an easy thing. So now that I've contoured, like I have blended the contour, now next I'm gonna move towards my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna wear an olive green dress. So for that I'm thinking of doing a smoky olive green kind of a eyeshadow look. I'm not quite sure how it turns out, so I always like plan something and it turns out something different. Yeah, that's just me. So let's just see. So firstly I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild palette, take this color and blend it all over the crease. Take Savannah Eye Makeup Academy Professional, and the colors are so pigmented and the colors are like, the shades are so pretty, you can see. So I'm gonna take the black, like the black eyeshadow from here, and I'm gonna blend it. And while blending, just bring the eyeshadow towards the inner corners, and this way you're gonna get a black, like smoky look to your eye. So this also looks very pretty. I'm gonna do the other eye, and I'm going to repeat the same procedure. So now that I got a very spooky eye look, next I'm gonna like match the eyeshadow with my dress. So I'm gonna take this palette from Makeup Revolution. I'm so sorry, I cannot, yeah, this palette. And I'm gonna take this color right here, which is in the shade of olive green. It's a bit shimmery. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in the inner corners of my eyes, like pretty well, like. So I blended this whole thing and it's looking really good right now. Like it's a very shimmery kind of a look, which I like. I think it's gonna look good with my dress. So next I'm gonna do my eyelashes and my eyeliner and stuff. I'm gonna take this eyeliner from L18 and it's like my favorite. It's very affordable and one of the best eyeliners in like right now. So my eyeliner. Next I'm gonna put the mascara on my eyelashes. This is the thing I hate putting eyelashes. I'm sorry, I mean I hate putting mascara. Like it always pokes my eyes. This is just one step that I just like wish I could have like left it like without doing it, and I really don't like putting mascara at all. Next I'm gonna take this palette from Makeup Revolution and I'm gonna take this green color, olive green color right here, and I'm gonna put in my lower lash line. Next I'm gonna take this Maybelline Master Blush palette and I'm gonna take this shade right here and for my blush. And lastly for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this Master Stroke highlighter and illuminator, and I'm gonna apply it on my high points. This is a very good highlighter. I really recommend you guys, like if you're a beginner in makeup, you should really get it. Like it's a must, you should get it. Like, it's one of my favorite and it like stays on for a long time. Wow, my face just brightened up. The last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the lipstick, and I think this color is gonna look good with my eyes. I would recommend you guys that if you're doing a very heavy eye look, then just apply a very like light shade, like a light pink color or a light like nude color or something like that, because then the eye look like it looks better. If you're putting up a very dark eye lipstick as well, then it like the look doesn't like come off like it as it should. So that's why I put a very light like pink color. Like yeah, it's looking quite dark on the camera, but it's not so dark, and it's like it's a very wearable lipstick on even on a daily basis. It's from Lakme, and I think you guys, everyone should have this bottle. It's a very pretty color. It's Mulberry Fist from Lakme's Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. So yeah. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. I'm gonna change right into it and show you guys my final look. Hey guys, so this is the final look, and I wore this velvety kind of a dress for my birthday. I'm so sorry you cannot see it like the full view, I'm gonna attach some photos to it, my birthday photos, so you can see it, like how this dress looks. It's a very pretty dress, like which I got from Flipkart. Yes, I got it from Flipkart. I loved this dress and I ordered it, and it's very soft and it's like very pretty. And I accessorized it with this 3-layer chain, and I also wore a belt to it. So this is the final look that I've achieved, and it's a very pretty like birthday kind of a look. And you can also get it for like a party, like any party, like engagement or even weddings, if you want to wear western on a wedding. So I hope to see you guys more in like the upcoming days, and I hope you guys are gonna subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be uploading more and show you guys easy ways to do makeup. So please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all love this video. See you guys soon. Bye.